Hi, my name's Leah and I'm in my third year studying my health sciences degree. And here are my 5 top study tips. My first tip is to start the module early. So your module normally opens earlier than the start date, so I would advise to just start studying as soon as you can. This allows you to get ahead and also gives you time to play with if life gets busy. My second tip is to subscribe to module forums. So each module will have a forum that you can basically sign up to be notified if someone posts in there. I find these really helpful around assignment time because tips are often posted in there as well as guidance. They're also just great for general module guidance and also the social aspect. My third tip is for those who work digitally, so make sure that you back up your notes and also your assignments because you don't want to lose them because of computer issues. I use Google Drive, but I think the OU actually provides you with access to OneDrive, so there's so many different resources you can use. So my fourth tip is to save your assignment answers in separate documents as you work on them. So not only is this an extra backup for you, but it also shows how you've got to these answers over time if after you submit any plagiarism issues are to occur. And finally, when you're completing your assignment, just start as early as possible and try to tie it in with when you're reading the module materials. You can then match up the questions with the relevant materials and just save yourself time.